To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
But you say you want in other business because at this point in time, you're not showing no interest,
I'm not showing no interest, and every time when I pay money, I pop up. But it's just that me always shy.
The girl not have it.
Well, she start
and you know that too. So what kind of friend you say you be then?
Give me, you don't care no money, come give me. Oh, give me money we have now.
Just buy cash back, I tell her.
You not take money for that.
Just one time
wait. You not take money for that.
Just one time in the borrow from her, I give her back her money.
Listen to me, I say. What you have me for? What me big in your life? Talk to me, man, and stop going like you want to hold up
Take care of me and take care of all of my expenses them.
Not that, man. What you have man fight? Me a man nothing.
Me know why you man hang. Me don't do it.
Go for me things right now, fast.
Go in our house, go fit yourself.
Oh, how you think you're talking? Yo, how you think you're talking?
So you say?
You know, I'm there, dog. I go on normal as I tell you before. I'm not there for one, I'm there for right now, my dog. Tell you the truth.
Boy, you know, say I move like a waste, man. You know, hold this up.
Remember, say, me there carry belly fear, me lose it.
You lose it. And that's your belly.